The new giant of old here, west of Whitehall, Montana. That's the skull right there. And you can see the back of it, and then you can see the two eye sockets. Wow. Unbelievable. I went there once before in a previous video. Went right up to it. It didn't look anything like this. Wow, you can see the eye sockets. It's the left side of the skull. That's the left eye, the right eye. It's the back of the skull. That's the front. Wow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. New Giants of Old by Wehner. Gotta go! That's unbelievable though. Wow.